New just listed home, 1491 Rolling Fairway Drive, Four Corners, Florida. By Stephen Mason and Ashley Mason from the Military Veteran Team. This 8-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 3,909 square feet luxury retreat is perfectly situated in the prestigious ChampionsGate community. A step inside to this contemporary masterpiece reveals an expansive, light-filled open floor plan with sleek tile flooring and modern finishes. The heart of the home features a chef-inspired kitchen with upgraded cabinetry and granite countertops, flowing seamlessly into spacious living areas designed for hosting. This grand residence includes 8 beautifully appointed bedrooms and 5 pristine bathrooms, featuring multiple themed rooms and a primary sanctuary. Entertainment excels with an Avengers-themed game room, a private Starship cinema, and a west-facing screened pool and spa. Enjoy world-class resort amenities and nearby Disney magic in this premier Florida destination. Don't miss this unique chance.